Paul. Yes. I was just looking in this dictionary, and there was a something that I was really concerned about. Yes. The word mad, M-A-D. Yes. Angry, afflicted with a mental disorder, insane. Yes. hmm Seems like somebody's angry today. So, you might have a mental disorder. You might be insane. Now, when you really think about it, there's this idea that this magistrate, a civil officer with the power to enforce law, yeah. See, on Guam, I went before a magistrate when my wife abducted my sons, yes. And they were the ones, he was a bald headed guy, yeah. That, well, they decided that they would prosecute, but they offered me diversion. Yeah, I did 7 hours of parenting classes. Poop. Now I noticed that the district courts are the magistrates as well as the district court judges in smaller counties. Yeah, and it could be that there's some sort of well issue. Now the magnet, a person notable or powerful, especially in business. And then there's a magnetic field. Yes. The area in the neighborhood of a magnet or of an electrical current, yes, marked by the existence of a detectable magnetic force in every part of the region. Now, today I'm a little concerned about my competition. Yes. See, some magnets, yes, some very powerful individuals have been paying some very corrupt judges, yes, to act the part of magistrate, yes, as well as the judge that hears the case. Now, if we think of 2012, where I was found not guilty, yes. How much do judges remember of those that have appeared in court? hmm Now, in 2012, Judge Porter was the judge, and Colgill, yes, he was the prosecutor, right, and Stan Myers was my public defender. Yep. Now, my wife was not on the witness stand during that jury trial. Oh. mhm. It was a look-alike. It wasn't her. Now, I've had this issue with Clallam County saying that those that are married to spouses don't know the actual appearance or identity of the individual. Yes. As if you could sleep with a wife for 10 years. You could conceive and give birth to 5 sons. Yes. And then I don't know what my wife looks like. Poop! Now, judges, yeah, seem to think, yes, that they know better than I do. Oh. But when I mention, yes, that it was not her on the witness stand, yes, you are obligated to remove all court orders because somebody, yeah, played the part of my wife of 10 years. Yes. Now I'm just thinking, Judge Porter, magistrate and judge. Yes. I was tried again in 2016. And it seems that Judge Porter does not remember who I am. Now, when you're found not guilty one time, okay, and then they say that you're in Sequim, Washington when you weren't, yes, you would think that judges that can't remember who it is that has appeared in this court might have a problem with their memory. You might be mad, as in insane, Judge Porter. Now, I'm having a difficult time understanding, yes, that when I was found not guilty the first time, yeah. mhm, Why is it, yes, that a judge would not take into consideration, yes, that when being found not guilty for the allegation of violating the restraint provisions, yes, wouldn't realize that the second time that you arrested me 3 years later, right now, that there was a serious obligation to consider the false allegations of a crime. Poop! Now, for each time a judge has before them an individual that is found not guilty, yes, you would have thought right now. that they would have taken in consideration the former verdict of the jury. But it seems that judges have a problem understanding that when you're found not guilty the first time, more than likely you're not guilty the second time. Yes, because you're not guilty the third time right now. Now, I'm wanting to have imprisoned some judges. They are absolutely mad. They have a mental illness where they thought that they were immune to prosecution. Now, I did email all the judges in the court directory. Yes. And there wasn't a one of them. Now, well, let's think about it, Judge Porter. Right now. You arrest me in 2012. Yes. Serving me the dissolution at the same moment. Yes. Where Healthy Families of Cloud County helped my wife fill out all the necessary paperwork. That's right. I get out of jail on the 29th. I think it was the day of arraignment, 2012. Yes. You reissue a protection order 1 week later on the 31st of May. Yeah. And the protection order wasn't going to expire until August 11th of 2012. That's right. Now, I told you, yeah, you did not have jurisdiction to issue it in 2011. Right. Heidi wasn't a resident of the state of Washington. You did not have the jurisdiction, right, to reissue it in 2012. But for some stupid reason, you keep ignoring what the law says. Today, I'm wanting to put in prison every judge of the United States. Now, I don't give a fuck who you are right now. I want to put in prison every judge of the United States that has any knowledge, yes, of issuing court orders without jurisdictional law right now. Reissuing court orders without jurisdictional law. Yes. And then they, for some reason, don't fucking remember.